How to make a free website to sell clothes. I'll be showing you 3 platforms on which you can do this, but the first platform I'll be showing you'll be able to do this for completely free forever. The first one is Square Online. So you'll simply you can type in Square Online, or you could put in squareup.com, and you'll be led to this page right here, on which you'll be able to get a free e-commerce website completely free, not a trial period but completely free. You can simply tap on Get Started for Free. Then you'll be led to the sign up page right here, on which all you'll need to do is enter your first and last name, enter your email address, and also create a password. Once you have done that and tap on Continue, from here you'll be able to customize your website, and that's it. The only thing with SquareUp is that they take 2.9% of each sale that you make plus 30 cents. That's it, but otherwise from that it is completely free. So if you don't make any money, they don't make any money. The other platform that I'll be showing you is Wix.com. Again, with Wix you'll be able to sign up for free, and you can simply tap on Choose Type right here. The only thing about it, to get certain features you will have to upgrade, so in the end it will end up cost you in the long run. Another platform you could get started with is Squarespace, but with Squarespace you'll be getting, I think, 14 days trial period, so that will be long enough for you to set up your website and customize it to your liking. But once you start to make money, if you get any sale in the first week or so, you will have to upgrade your plan. But the upgrade is quite reasonable, and you can upgrade your plan. Another platform you could also look into is Shopify, but with Shopify again it will be a 14-day free trial period.